Hello all, here I will show you what is the speciality of a rectangular pyramid and how a rectangular pyramid is created in Fusion 360. Select model workspace, select sketch, select center rectangle, select any one plane, and then you can enter the length and breadth. So the length is 80 and breadth is 60. Okay, then select stop sketch. So this is a rectangle of length 80, this is length and this is breadth. Then go to construct offset plane, select this, create a new plane such that the height of the pyramid is say 80. So I have created a new plane, so that is the distance from this face to the plane is actually, that distance is the height of the pyramid. So remember, that is the height of the pyramid, so it is 80. Then go to sketch, then select point, select the new plane and mark a point on the new plane, then stop sketch. So you can see a black dot on the top face of the rectangle. Then go to create, then loft, select the rectangle and select the point, then press OK. So you can see a rectangular pyramid. So a rectangular pyramid is actually similar to a square pyramid. What is the difference between a rectangular pyramid and a square pyramid? Only difference is the base. See, this is the base. The shape of this base is rectangle, so this is called a rectangular pyramid. In the case of square pyramid, this is the base. This base is, if this base is square, it is called a square pyramid. So here this is a rectangular pyramid. Why? Because this base, the shape of this base is actually a rectangle. Thank you.